All right, we got Trevor on one. Let's see if he can manage to get this one in. All right, we got Dad on a serious one now. Oh man, I keep seeing that line for the outrigger, and this keeps flashing from the sun. We got it. What's going on, everybody? Captain Ryan, Badlands Charters and Outdoors. Hey, today we got a good one. Got some repeat clients coming in, taking them out for a 6-hour trip yesterday, and we had a blast. Ended up getting limits of several different species yesterday, and then we went and pulled on some really big fish. So y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, we made it to the first spot. We're getting everybody out. I've got, right here, I got Braden. He's going to be helping me deckhand. I just had surgery about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I had to have my gallbladder removed, so I have a lifting profile, and we're going to have him on the boat for me, helping me out a little bit right now. So we'll see how many we get here in just a second, guys. Go ahead and drop it back down. All right, we got the first one. Trevor got the first one on the boat, but we got a couple coming up right now. See what Thea, right? Yeah. Thea is bringing up. Trevor's got one on the back here too. Nice mingo. There we go. And another nice mingo. All right. We got Trevor on a decent fish here. Maybe it's gonna be a good keeper. I see color. Ah, daggum red snapper. All right, give us a minute. We'll get it off and get it. All right, Trevor's back on again, guys. See what it brings up. Another keeper, hopefully. Yep, another nice mingo. All right. And maybe Dad will keep this one on. And Mama's on too. Hey, Wade, flip yours right into the boat, so I don't want you to lose it. Like the last 8 fish you've had hit.
Oh yeah.
All right, flipping them into the boat. All right, there we go. All right.
You never met your grandpa.
All right, we got Dad over here wanting to be Bill Dancing, jerking them up. He is bringing them up. They're all nice mingoes today too. Got Mama on. What we got, Dad?
Oh, real too far.
Nice white though. See what Mama's bringing up here. Another white. All right. All right. So Dad's on a pretty decent fish here. Let's see if we can. Mama looks like she's on too. Oh, and Thea. You got a decent one. Hopefully it's a keeper trigger. So guys, we're just using a regular chicken rig. So it's 2 hooks and about an 8-ounce weight on the bottom down there. We're just using cut up squid today for bait. Oh yeah, nice trigger. You got 2. Oh no, red grouper. All right, bring it over here. He's got to be 20 and he should come close. Well guys, I tell you what, Braden right here, Braden is getting his butt worked off today. He ain't had a chance to hardly breathe with the fish. We got Dad on right now. We got Mama on. A little bit bigger, you think? Oh, Dad's got a double mingo. Let's see what Mama's gonna bring up. They're almost there. Oh, 2 nice ones. Very good. That bottom one's a really nice one. All right, Mama. All right, so we got our limit of mingos, as y'all can see. Oh, we got them piled up. Got a bunch of whites and one nice trigger. We're gonna go see if we can get our limit of trigger and then move on to some big fish. All right, well, we got Mama on with what might be a really nice trigger. We got one keeper right here on deck. We got Dad bringing one up, but I think his is gonna be short. Story of his life. Yep, shorty. All right, we'll see what Mama gets. One keeper at least. The other one's gonna be a shorty, I believe. All right, we got Trevor bringing up another one. Don't know if he's gonna be legal. Nope, he's not. We'll get him back. See what Dad's got. So we've already got 3 now in the box. We're allowed 3 more, and then we'll be done with these triggers. Got a little spunk to it, huh? There he is, right down there. Whooping your butt. How you gonna handle an amberjack here in a minute, Wade? That one's better. Close. That's probably gonna be 14, but. All right, we got a double on Dad and Trevor right here. See what they got. See who's got what. Who's got the bigger one?
Oh, mine got off.
Well, Dad ain't got the bigger one. D is on. Oh, nice white. Mama's on with a decent fish. You lose yours? Yeah. All right, reel it up. We'll check your bait. Let's see what Mama brings up. We just ran over a school of nice ones. So we got these trigger fish, guys. As y'all can see, they're all the way up in the column right here. Hopefully Mama's got a keeper on. That's what I'm betting on, and it looks like it might be. Pretty sure it is. Yep, that's a keeper, I believe. Yeah, that should be about a ½ inch over. All right, we changed it up a little bit. We came up to a couple of wrecks. We're trolling around it. We got the outriggers out on either side, planer, and we got one on the planer right now. Trevor's going to try and get it up. Have you got one on that one too? I think I did. I think you do too. The way the rod's bumping.
Yeah.
Why don't you go get that rod?
I just want to.
We'll see what we got. Yeah. Yeah, there's one on hers.
Same thing with the planer?
Yeah, now just pull the planer out.
Stop.
And you might have to guide those swivels through the eye, but there we go. Now you can reel it all the way up. No, that one's empty. Oh, it came off. You can look and see if it got hit. No.
No?
I'm gonna grab the gap.
It's right here. Yeah, just in case it's not. If it is, we can change up.
All right.
Here, Brady.
And don't slack the line out. Let it go out straight. Don't just drop it. There you go. And then go ahead and grab that rod. Help him get it around. All this stuff will get him up to the front so we can get it. No, him. We'll put him through here so he can go up front and
So you want him to?
yeah, let's go ahead and unleash it, and then oh, that's a big fish. Yeah. See it shining back there? We're gonna get you around these all this. All right, and come back up here and start fighting. That way we can have the fish at the back of the boat. We got something on big here, guys. I just saw it flash. I don't know what it is.
I see him.
There it is right down there. Whatever it is right there.
Like
I don't think it's a wahoo. No, big amberjack. Big amberjack.
Reef donkey. That's a big one.
There you go, brother. There's your 45-pound amberjack. Maybe 50. Yeah, that's a good one. There you go, hold them up. All right, good job, brother. So with that amberjack coming off that planer, I got Braden here. He's tying up. Let's show him the lure real quick. Got the squid trucks from Nomad, and then we got some Nomad vertical jigs. We're gonna pull back up over here over this wreck and commence to hammering some amberjack. They are not in season. Here we go. Here's what it looks like. It is not, they are not in season, but when you want to pull on a big fish this time of year, this is what will come after you. We're going to try and break your spirit here in just a second. And it's starting to show them right now.
Pink one. Hey, pink is tight. I know. I'd choose a pink.
So that's what we got. We got some amberjack holding up there about 70 feet or so.
Hey, go back to this side.
So we're gonna go right here. I'm gonna get set up. Get set up for the wind and have some fun. We're gonna see whose will we can break here real quick. Bust their spirits and all that good stuff, because somebody's about to get tore up here in just 1 second. Go ahead and flip it over and make sure it flips.
Yep.
All right, now just jerk it up, jerk it hard.
I like that one.
No, you gotta do it harder. Gotta do it fast. Oh, we got one. All right, there we go. Got Trevor on. Oh, did you lose them?
Yeah.
Keep real fast, make sure. All right. Well, at least we got everything back. Pretty serious fish right here. Maybe he can get it up. Come on, get him up. Pull up, reel down. Pull up, reel down. If you can only get a half crank, get a half crank. Every inch counts. Don't give it so much slack when you're going down. Okay. Make sure there's always a bend in the rod. There we go. Oh, you can go back there. I'll take care of this. Yeah, you can get them hooked up. Oh, you ain't got a big one. Not like your son. Your son's whooping your butt so far, Dad. Oh man, I keep seeing that line for the outrigger, and this keeps flashing from the sun. We got him? All right, there we go. Nice amberjack. All right, let it down.
God, they fight hard.
Yep, they do.
They just make you laugh.
Yeah. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna send you right back. Are you just gonna pick them up?
Yeah.
All right. All right, there we go, guys. Nice little AJ. He wouldn't be a keeper, but he ain't far off of it.
Hurry up, get down there.
All right, let's get another one, Dad. We made it to the last spot of the day. We're gonna see if we can jig up some more amberjack, and then we're gonna call it. All right, guys, we got Mama on a good one here. Guys, go ahead and reel up for me. I'm gonna bump the boat away from the wreck. You have a hit? All right, we got a second one on. All right. You up? All right.
Oh yeah, it's already right there.
Go for it, yeah.
Let me see if I can lock it down for you a little bit better. Hang on, Mama. Try. We got that one up over there?
Yeah,
come on, Dad.
Yep.
All right, what we got? Nice one. All right. All right, I'm gonna try and spin the boat so we can get the rod off the line.
Picture with them?
Did it catch it?
Yeah.
All right.
We're getting closer. You're good, son.
Oh, I did. Oh, no wonder.
You need a gaff?
No, I got it.
All right.
Amberjack.
There we go. Nice. Good job. All right, we're gonna give it one more shot and we're gonna head. He's got it. Crank on him. Crank on him. There we go. We're dropping that one down, guys, and it already got hit. Oh no. Oh, he's there. He's there. We got vertical jigs going on in the back. We put live bait down on the front one. All right, Mama, let's see you get another big one.
Do it, Thea. Here.
Or Thea. There we go, there it is right there. Oh, that's not an Almaco, all right. I saw a flash of that dorsal out. There we go, that'd be another if season we're in.
Yeah, you'd be close.
All right, guys, we're gonna see if we can get some more on a vertical jig and then we're gonna head out. All right, guys, well, that's gonna finish it up for this spot. We're gonna head in. We'll see you at the dock. We'll show you what we ended up with.
Yes.
All right, and here's how we ended up for the day, guys. Not a bad haul. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you like. That way I can get my content out to more people and get some more subscribers. Thanks a lot for everything, guys. We appreciate it, and we'll see y'all on the next one.